Are you struggling with movement issues you can't seem to unravel? Well, you're not alone, and there's a way forward. Today, I want to share with you a transformative journey. This woman was once exactly where you might find yourself right now. Her movement felt off and was desperate for a change. She couldn't pinpoint what was wrong, but she knew her body wasn't moving and feeling as it should. One of the reasons why she probably couldn't pinpoint a specific issue is because there were issues everywhere. At almost every low joint, ankles, knees, hips, pelvis, and shoulders, there were imbalances of muscular tension, restrictions, and faulty movement patterns. Through joining my online movement program, she learned how to feed her body the movement it was craving. Muscle imbalances started to relax, joint range of motion started to improve, and she rediscovered what it felt like to have her body support her lifestyle. This comprehensive, user-friendly online program has been designed meticulously to help you uncover and rectify the root cause of your movement issues. With this program, you'll explore simple, beginner-friendly exercises, all from the comfort of your own home. They're crafted to restore balance and reignite the joy of movement in your life again. Here, you'll be guided through the very exercises, positions, techniques, and strategies that thousands have used to rebalance their bodies and reclaim their lives. The end game of this program is simple yet profound. We aim to optimize muscle function so that your joints move better, restoring the curvature of your spine, regaining range of motion, developing strength, stability, and control, all while helping you develop the habits and consistency you need. And it can all start for you by clicking the link in my bio and getting started today.